Look, they put happy birthday. Hello. Right, so today I'm going to do a 2-in-1. I'm testing the camera out while it is raining. I know I've done a vlog before when it was raining, but this time it's raining a lot and it's very windy because this time we are autumn. The other thing I'm going to do today is to go through not only a train station, but I'm going to go through the gate and get on the train. So I'm going to try to vlog on the train. So that's going to be new for me. And so we've already done events, we've done train stations a few times now. And the difference with the usual setting that I have with this camera is that normally I would have it on a stick, a selfie stick, with the gym glove and all of that. But this time I've only got it handheld, and the reason for that is because I found that it was easier for me to go through a train station that way. It attracted less attention, whereas with my stick and the glove, it looked odd, or it looked more professional, because I had got stopped in the past somewhere where people thought I was filming professionally, because it does look a bit more professional if you see the setting that I usually do. So I'm on my way now to London Bridge Station, and because it's not like heavy rain, but it's heavier rain than usual. I definitely will not let this camera get wet right now. So that's why I'm having a hard time holding the camera and the umbrella at the same time to make sure it doesn't get wet, and trying to get my hair fixed as I'm walking along because it is windy. And right, so I'm just a few minutes away now from the train station. Hopefully you can hear me well. I've got the microphone just underneath my chin, and hopefully my neck is not covering it too much and it's not muffling the sound. So let me see. It is so windy. It's great weather here in London right now. Oh, if only you saw, let me show you. Yeah, it's not great. Okay, so we're gonna go in now. Whoop. Right. Okay. So I need to stop this. Okay. Oof. Let's see. So I have my glasses, but I've purposely removed them because whenever I wear them, that's when I see everyone looking over, and that's when I get very uncomfortable. So let me just do this. What I'm gonna do now, let me show you where we are. Okay. This is London Bridge. So if you had watched my previous vlog, I was in Paddington and I was showing the freebies that you could get in London on your birthday. Look at that, that's gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, and one of the freebies is a Krispy Kreme donut, and there is a Krispy Kreme right here, and I want to collect it today because I have 7 days to collect my freebies, and I love Krispy Kreme, so I'm not going to say no to that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to go in. That's where the Krispy Kreme is. the little shop, and I'm gonna try to go there. So this is London Bridge Station. I'm just gonna compose myself a little bit because now I've got the umbrella in one hand, I've got the camera in one hand, so I'm gonna try to go in and film somehow. Let's see. And get my phone out so that I could scan. Hopefully it's still valid because I've waited 7 days. But you should be able to collect it within 7 days, so let me see. That is the Krispy Kreme shop. There's a lot of people in there, so I'm just gonna wait for them to leave before I go. So let's see. Let's have a look.
Ask you each one of those, and then Alex.
Hi.
In the same month, just so you know.
Yeah. Oh, that's a shame. I thought it was like 7 days.
This time anyways, don't worry,
Oh,
just so you know.
thank you. It's really cute.
For future, it would be the whole birthday month. So
Oh,
if
I
you wanna
see.
claim-
I didn't know that. I
Yeah.
thought it was 7 days. Right. Okay. Is it anyone or just the glazed one? Ah, great. Do you still have the Biscoff, that one? Yeah, please. Thank you. Sorry. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Yeah. Exactly. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, I got it. I've got my Krispy Kreme. Okay, so now let me actually check what platform it is on. So I'm going to sharing cross platform 9. Yeah, okay. So let's go. We're going to platform 9. And once again, I am doing this for the first time. So let me show you. I'm going to show you us going through. So I'm holding my camera. Hopefully I'm not going to get stopped somehow. All right. Okay, platform 9, it's up here. Actually, let's go this way. So this is London Bridge Station. It's huge. It's humongous. And it's really well done. I mean, I've said this before. It did not exist. This station did not exist in the way it is today, 20 years ago. They completed it in 2018. Within 5 years, actually, they completed the station. And it's very impressive how quick they managed to do it. But not only that, is that how well it's functioning right now. Okay. So we are, let me do this.
May I have your attention, please? Train on platform 7, 112 service 5 seconds. Orpington, 7 lots, Hillenburg, Tunbridge, Highwood, and Hammond Road. This train has been bolted.
And look at the shard.
Please straight on the platform and use one of your rules for this train. Once you're on board, please put right down the elements to the hour. 1606.
So that's our train. Okay, so that's the train coming. And okay, it's not too bad. Then I'm gonna enter the train now. Okay. See? It's just very quiet.
The next station is Waterloo East.
Okay, so we have arrived now at Charing Cross Station, and I'm gonna be doing a bit of filming in the rain, so I will terminate this vlog very soon. But I was just hoping to push myself to vlog right here in the station. So I did it. All right. Okay, so that's done. It's a short and sweet one today. I'm gonna try to go a bit, I'm gonna try to walk around a bit more around the station, but already this is my third time vlogging at a train station. So this is my fourth train station. So we did Waterloo Station, Paddington, London Bridge, and now Charing Cross. And I'm walking around and I can see nothing because I haven't got my glasses on. So I'm not talking because the announcement is probably too loud. Oop.
Bexley, Crayford, Dartford, Stone Crossing, Greenhithe, Swanston, Northfleet and Gravesend. This train has 10 coaches. Platform 4 enters via Sidcup.
Please be aware, there are no toilets on this train.
All right, so I'm gonna leave, and this is where I will say goodbye. But yeah, I did it. Another challenge accomplished. So now I have taken a train, but as you could see, I did not speak very much on the train because it was way too quiet. But there's a way to go around it. So that's it. I'm going to say goodbye now, and just to show you how great the weather is here. Uh-oh. All right. So unfortunately, there's rain coming through here. So I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you very much. Hopefully you enjoyed today, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, hang on. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, like, and engage. Comment down below. Take care. Bye-bye. So I'm adding now another one. Another birthday treat that I can collect from Costa Coffee. And it is currently raining. It started to rain, so I'm gonna go straight in and let's see what we can grab. So the treat today is a free cake. So let's have a look. Ooh, the carrot cake is always a winner. Ginger loaf cake. Brownie. Oh, one of these again. Oh, I think it's gonna be the carrot cake for me. Yeah, let's have a look. So I have to, once again, show the app. Hi, I'm just here to grab my free birthday treat, please. Oh, amazing. Please may I have the carrot cake? Thank you. I'll have it for takeaway, please. Thank you.
Would you like to have any drinks, please?
I think I'll grab a decaf oat latte with that, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. And for the coffee? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, that's very sweet. Amazing. Thank you very much. Oh, that's really sweet. Thank you. It's very kind. So I want to show you this. Look, they put happy birthday. Okay, that was super cute. And it's not raining anymore, I think. That was so cute. So they've given me a coffee, a free coffee with my cake, which was so nice. So I have my free carrot cake and my medium coffee. So let me cross. So yeah, that's so sweet. So that's, I have to say, last year it was the same thing. I went and collected, I claimed the cake and they gave me a free coffee at the same time. So that was very sweet. But this time they actually put happy birthday on it. So Costa Coffee, well done. That's really made my day. So that's very sweet of you. Thank you so much.